working, Ernie. Good job. Good
Okay,
job.
watch out so his head doesn't hit that.
job.
Okay.
Good job.
His
Good
head's
job,
gonna
Arnie.
hit that side thing.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, back up a little and let him jump.
Good
He needs a little
job.
space.
Good job, Ernie.
Go stand over there then. Oh. Can you bounce? Can you go jump, jump? Grandma Spore said Arnie's gonna like that jumper thing.
Ernie, I'll help you jump a little.
Okay, you help him a little bit. Oh, that's kind of a lot. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Okay, that's probably good.
Okay, let him sing a little now. Oh.
Sing it.
Okay, sing and swing, Arnie. Here, you sing, Charlie.
No, no. I gotta create my shield.
What are you working on? Charlie, tell me.
I'm working on my shield.
Yeah.
It's awesome. I'm working on my sword too.
Yeah. That rug is kind of a bullseye for Arnie. Maybe we should play him Boundin'. He could watch that and get inspired.
Mama,
Okay, turn around
is
quick
that
again.
the way it goes or is that the way it goes?
I think I put him in backwards. Turn around. Where's Arnie?
I want you to put him in the right way.
Of course you do. Okay. Thanks.